Each level feels the same. It really goes either way. I don't know about you, but I gotta get it out, and I don't know how soon. But if we die, I wanna bring the whole just another world that I gotta get a grip of and hold on to. Just another world that I gotta get a grip of and hold on to. Just another world that I gotta get a grip of and hold on to. Just another world that I gotta get a grip of and hold on to.
Dope shit like that, Jerv. Oh, hi. Welcome back to Kids. Follow your dreams. Yeah. Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball, mirror, mirror hanging on the wall. Who the fly white boy of them all? Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? I wanna tell you she in love with him. So we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing, cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my concussion. Yeah, she blushing, all red. Wanna rush and go to bed. You interrogate that bitch like you the fed. So she says she in love with a rock star, rock star. Wanna smoke my weed, so she asked me where the tops are, tops are.
Oh,
Top drawer.
oh,
Yeah.
honey, I need you.
Hi.
I'm alone.
Just some motherfucking kids.
Oh, oh, oh.
Make money, fuck bitches. Yeah. Pittsburgh. Hey, John. Hey, these hoes is drunk. Wanna come and smoke this blunt? Then let me take them home and do anything I want. I said, baby, I can ride ya. Just let me get inside ya. I can take you higher if you hit this vape